Hi guys, welcome to the Afterschool Club. Join us for some continued learning and fun. Mischief is managed with our favourite schoolgirls.
Please excuse me, mademoiselle, I have a class to prepare for.
You worked out all of this. I've ruined a perfectly good dress.
You've got talent? Well, so do they. Explore music, acting and more.
My favorite type of music is hip-hop. I do acting, singing, dancing, and I play the piano.
Hi guys, and welcome to your favorite tech hangout.
Explore our digital world and fun activities from social media to building robotics. Watch how nature and people bond as one. Our favorite animals love.
Throughout our Love Goes Wild journey, we will visit humans who are privileged to be chosen by animals to share a bond with.
Put the electronics down and explore the great outdoors, from learning new skills to playful adventures.
See, a real city slicker puts their phone down, gets out there and experiences the real world.
Join us weekdays at 3 p.m. the Afterschool Club on S3. Open up.